Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on AliExpress. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in aliexpress.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official AliExpress website. If you haven't logged into your account already, you will see the sign in button at the left side, which you can click on and then proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, click on the account icon at the top right corner and then click on Settings. Now, once you are inside the settings page, click on Edit Profile underneath Personal Information and now you will see your profile. Click on the Edit button at the bottom and you will be allowed to enter your name. Type in your name within the name section, and if you wish, you can also enter your gender as well as edit other information including your contact address and your phone number. Finally, click on Submit. Your new profile details will be changed right away. When you go back to your account and check your profile overview, you will now see that your username has been updated. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your name on your AliExpress account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.